Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure both devices share the same Wi-Fi. This allows discovery and streaming. Next, enable your TV's AirPlay or mirroring mode so it will accept a connection. Once done, open Control Center on the iPad by swiping down from the top right. This exposes the screen mirroring control. Tap Screen Mirroring to view available receivers, then look for your TV's name and tap it. This initiates the handshake that prepares the actual mirrored session. After selecting the TV, you may see an on-screen code. Type that into your iPad to authenticate and secure the link. Make sure to choose whether you want simple mirroring or app-specific casting. When that option appears, mirroring duplicates the whole screen, while casting may stream only the app. Then check display orientation and set the TV volume to a comfortable level. If video looks cropped, toggle aspect ratio or zoom on the TV until the content fits correctly. To end the session, return to Control Center and tap Stop Mirroring so the devices disconnect cleanly. If the iPad cannot find the TV or the stream stutters, first restart the TV and the iPad and toggle Wi-Fi. This clears many discovery and network issues. Make sure both devices run current firmware or iOS versions because mismatched software often blocks AirPlay. If problems persist, try connecting to another Wi-Fi band or restart your router as a final network fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.